Chair. This past February, I started a new role as the Interim Executive Director for the United Way of Colchester. And I've met some very passionate, community-minded individuals, dedicated volunteers, and generous supporters. Before February, my knowledge of the United Way was limited. I knew they'd been around for a long time, 60 years this year, and I knew they raised money and gave it away to other local charities. Beyond that, I really didn't give it much thought. Since February, I've had my eyes opened, and I'd like to share with you some of the things that I've learned about the United Way and its impact in our community. United Way supports programs and initiatives for families and individuals that focus on 3 areas. 1, moving people out of poverty and meeting basic needs, such as supporting the Colchester Food Bank with upgrading the refrigeration and our local Canadian Mental Health Food Services program. 2, improve access to social and health-related support services to help build strong communities. We supported hospice with furniture for their new home and supplied funding for outreach workers at Transition House. And thirdly, helping kids be all they can be by improving access to early childhood learning, helping them do well at school, and helping them make a healthy transition into adulthood. We've done this by supporting the after-school program at the Boys and Girls Club, the Parent and Talks groups at Maggie's Place, and the back-to-school program. United Way is also a strong community partner. We work with other community groups to strengthen and connect the services and capacities of nonprofits such as Colchester Volunteer Network, Colchester Anti-Poverty Network, and Truro's new Homeless Outreach Society. Time check. Look at that. So, how would your gift help the United Way and our community? We had lots of ideas, and there are 2 main ones we see making a real impact. First of all, helping us with technology. What I found at the United Way is that they're very efficient, but their software is old and slow. They could really benefit from a database designed for and being used by other United Ways, but it just isn't in the budget. With a staff of only 1.5 people, including me, we need to be as efficient as we can be. New technology and a database will save us time and improve communications with our volunteers, donors, and community partners. We would expect to use probably about 20% of your gift for technology, and that would help us to be more efficient, save time, and help those that we love to work with. The second idea that we're much more excited about is that with the remainder of your gift, we would use it for an idea that came about as a result of a survey that our youth committee had done at CC at North Colchester High School. 2 years ago, our youth committee created and delivered a survey asking their peers what they considered were the top issues facing them on a day-to-day basis. Over 900 students from CC and North Colchester completed the survey, and the #1 issue identified by youth was loneliness. Loneliness is #1. How can that be? At a time when young people seem more connected than ever, many feel unconnected, excluded, and lonely. Thinking about loneliness, we dug further. We had some discussions with people who work providing care for older adults living in residential care facilities and who may also struggle with loneliness. Whether due to loss, distance from family, or mobility issues, it is a fact that many of our aging population feel excluded from society. With your generous support, we would be able to create a project that would bring together our young people and seniors in a social manner. We approached a local care facility who thought the idea was fabulous. Their clients would truly benefit from the social contact, and they loved it. The leaders of our youth committee are supportive as well. They are eager for a way to contribute to our community and create positive change. So how do we see this unfolding? Quickly. Led by our youth committee with the support of a coordinator and local experts, the committee will design a project using their ideas and their vision. Young people will be matched with seniors to socialize and spend time together. With training, young people would learn to create and edit professional videos and photography to showcase different aspects of seniors' lives and issues that are important to them. We're still working on how it would actually play out, but funds could be used for wages for a coordinator, for a part-time coordinator for over 2 years, software, promotion, and other administrative costs. We can't do it with 1.5 people right now. Some specific outcomes of the project will be fostering new relationships, and I'm just going to thank you right there because I'm running out of time, so thank you for your support. You guys are awesome.